We're having for dinner.
I was thinking about American goulash.
Yeah, that's alright, yeah.
I suppose you have a story about that, right?
No. Yeah, I do actually. I do actually. There was this geezer. His name was, I think his name was Jack. I can't remember, so long ago. It's like really long ago, like nearly. Seems like 100 years ago or more. And this bloke called Jack, and he was like a navvy. He was Irish. Sounds American. Don't mention that ever. Gets really annoyed if you mention that. However, and he was like, I won these tickets on a cruise. Do you want to go on it? I thought, hey lads, booze cruise, let's fucking have it. Get on the booze cruise. Him and another mate, don't remember his name, didn't feature much in my life. So we got there, we got to the port, I believe that's what they call it. Get on this ship, can't remember what it's called, whatever.
Where was the ship made?
You asking me where the ship was made?
Oh, if you can't remember the name, I'm sure you remember where the ship was made.
I don't know, it was the 1900s, I'm guessing it was made around Portsmouth or something, Southampton, or I don't know. I don't know all the history behind it, to be fair. Well, I do believe that later on they made a movie about it, which is quite right. So yeah, I got on the ship, and I'll tell you what, Jules, you wouldn't fucking believe it. You would not fucking believe it. Gold leaf everywhere, bone china, valuable portraits and fucking artwork everywhere, silver cutlery, ornate carpeting, which is really expensive. Weatherspoon do it. I don't know if you know that. Each
Oh,
one,
really?
Yeah, each
Weatherspoon?
one's their own. Yeah,
So-
yeah.
Oh.
There's a little fact about that. They didn't win their own. Ornate carpeting. The place is just dripping with fucking wealth. It's a ship. Ain't a fucking house. Ain't a mansion. It's a ship. It's dripping with wealth. Everything. It's almost like everything was gold plated. You know, in hindsight, fucking proper waste of money.
I bet it was.
Proper waste of money. So we're there. Get on the ship, just settles off. Sneaking into the up class section. People are all the hoity-toity walking around going, oh, isn't it nice to be on this ship on that? And I'm there like, oi, what's going on? What's going on? Women walking around going, would you like a canapé? Took one, fuck that. Would you like some caviar? Oh, I took some of that. Yeah, fuck that. Bang that one, bang that one, bang that one, bang that one. Had to look on captain's deck, thought, wait, this is alright. I reckon I could be the captain. In hindsight, I'd been looking for a fucking iceberg. Did also notice, no fucking binoculars. Bit weird. Anyway. So we're there. We'll meet up next day, me and Jack. He'd been fucking around dancing and whatever. I don't do none of that dancing shit. I was just fucking banging. He goes, oh, what you been doing? I went, oh, alright. We're standing on deck. Fuck that one. Fuck that one. Fuck that one. Fuck that one. I fuck that one. Fuck that one. What you been doing? He said, I've been drawing a portrait of a naked lady. I looked at him and I thought, gay. But then he went, yeah. But then I fucked her in the back of a Rolls Royce. Hey! What a fucking winner. Anyway, we'll start getting pissed. He gets over pissed up and he's got his bird there and she's all like, oh yeah, I love you so much, Jack. Some shit like that. I don't know. Something she said something a woman would say. I don't fucking know. And then a bell rings. People are like, the ship is sinking. The ship is sinking. Oh, fuck. Ship's sinking. Oh, we've got to fucking get out of here. We've got to get out of here. So me, proper, I'm going to fucking do one. First little lifeboat, I believe that's what they call it. I'm going to get in. So I'm going to go, oh, you can't do that. Because, oh, you can't do that. Said, women and children first. I went, fuck off, you twat. He pulled a gun on me. But luckily, I'd seen the Bourne Identity Ultimatum, the Bourne Supremacy,
the Bourne stuff,
ejaculation, whatever. So I knew how to do it, didn't I? I knew how to do the Jason Bourne thing. He went like that, and I went, pushed him in the head, jumped in a fucking boat. I was away, mate. I was away. And we're sailing off. Like, slow at first. I'm thinking, no one's fucking rowing. I went, is someone going to fucking row?